Assalamualaikum dear students. Hope all of you are doing fine today. I am Maham Lodi from DPS Junior Wing Model Town. Welcome to lecture 5 of mathematics for class 3. We are learning chapter 1 titled numbers, and today we are going to cover two properties of numbers from page 20, 24 and 25 of your countdown 3. Grab your pencil, notebook and your countdown. Before we start today's lecture, let's have a quick review of our lecture 4. We studied how to write 4 and 5-digit numbers in expanded form. We also learned two new words, predecessor and successor. Along with that, we did the comparison of 4 and 5-digit numbers in order to identify which number is greater than the other one or which is less than the other one. Dear students, let's have a quick look at the contents of today's lecture. Today, we will arrange 4 and 5-digit numbers in ascending and descending order. We will also do skip counting in tens, hundreds, and thousands. We learned 3 properties in the last lecture, and we are going to learn 2 new properties in today's lecture. All these activities will make you more familiar with numbers up to 10,000 or 5-digit numbers. Let's start off with our first topic, ordering of numbers. After practicing comparison of two numbers, you are now able to arrange many numbers in different orders. There are two possibilities of ordering the numbers. One is ascending order and the other one is descending order. Ascending order. Ascending means increasing. When numbers are arranged from smallest to the largest, they are said to be in ascending order. There are some rules in order to arrange numbers in an ascending order. The first rule is find the smallest number. Second rule is find the largest number. Third rule is compare the rest of the numbers. And lastly, starting from the smallest number, every next number should be greater than the previous number. Let's have a look at an example here. Arrange the numbers in ascending order. We are given 4 numbers. First, we identify the smallest and the largest numbers. You can see the underlined numbers. In these two numbers, 53,760 is the smallest number and 67,603 is the largest number. As we have identified our smallest and largest numbers, we have to compare the rest of the numbers and arrange them in an ascending order, which is from the smallest to the greatest. Finally, the ascending order will be 53,760, which is the smallest one. The next number will be 57,306. Next number will be 67,036. And the last one will be the largest number, 67,603. Let's have descending order now. Descending means decreasing. When numbers are arranged from the largest to the smallest, they are said to be in a descending order. The rules are the same as for the ascending order. The only rule that is different is that we start from the largest number. Every next number should be smaller than the previous number. Let's have a look at an example for descending order. Arrange the numbers in descending order. As you can see, we have identified the smallest and the largest numbers. 42,506 is the smallest number out of these four numbers, and 52,755 is the largest number. As we have identified the smallest number and the largest number, in order to arrange them in a descending order, we have to arrange them from the largest to the smallest manner. So the descending order will be 52,755. The next number will be 52,056. Next number will be 42,650, and the last number will be 42,506, which is the smallest number. We have some practice questions for ascending and descending order as well. Turn to page 20 and solve these two practice problems. The first question requires you to put the numbers in ascending order, and the other question requires you to put the numbers in descending order. Solve both of these questions on book. Let's have the last topic of today's lecture, skip counting. The last activity that you will perform with 4 and 5-digit numbers is skip counting. Dear students, skip counting will help you to see patterns in numbers, as well as it will strengthen your foundation for number sense. Our first task is to skip count in tens. Look carefully at the place value columns of numbers. While skip counting in tens, the ones column stays the same, but you have to be very careful about tens and hundreds column. Look at this example from your book. You have to skip count in tens and write next four numbers. We start from 3,250. The ones column has 0. It will remain the same in all next four numbers. We will change tens only, so the next numbers are 3,260, 3,270, 3,280, and 3,290. Let's see another example. Here you are required to change the hundreds also. We start with 2,580. The next number is 2,590. Only tens are changed. But in the next number, changing of tens causes hundreds column to change as well. So the next numbers are 2,600, 2,610, 2,620. Skip counting in hundreds. While skip counting in hundreds, both tens and ones columns will stay the same. You have to watch out for the hundreds and sometimes for thousands column also. Let's have an example. In this example, you have to change the hundreds column only. The numbers are 8560. The next number when we skip count 100 will be 8660. Next one, 8760. The next one is 8860. Next one is 8960. Now look closely at the last number. You see that for the last number, changing hundreds has also changed thousands. So the last number is 9060. In the same way, in the next example, only in the second number, hundreds and thousands, both are changed. The remaining numbers simply skip count hundreds. Finally, skip counting in thousands. While working with 4-digit numbers, it is easiest to skip count in thousand. You have to change only thousands column. Ones, tens and hundreds columns stay the same. You can see in this example, only the thousands column and only the thousands are changing. All other columns, ones, tens and hundreds, stay the same. For the last exercise and practice problems, we have, turn to page 25. You have to skip count in tens and write 5 numbers beginning with the first number. We have tried out some of them in this lecture as well. In the next question, you have to complete the sequences by skip counting in tens. For the next one, you have to fill in the missing numbers by skip counting in hundreds. And for the last one, you have to fill in the missing numbers by skip counting in thousands. If you have any queries regarding this lecture, you can comment down below. Thank you.